When you recognize that you need to become UDI compliant, the first thing I would recommend you to do is to find your local GS1 member organization and engage with them. If you do not have it, get a membership, get some training and education in how to use the GS1 standard to become compliant, to get the right identification keys, get the right barcodes on your products. It's also very important when you are looking at UDI that you get some kind of top management sponsor to focus on this project, because it's going to require a lot of resources and it's going to be very important for you to become compliant to keep your markets. You also have to recognize that UDI is a very, very broad organization project involving many different kind of departments, from the management to regulatory affairs to the supply chain to the salespeople, etc., etc. What I would also recommend is that try to understand where you are today and where you need to go. So you need to make some kind of gap analysis. How are you identifying your products today, and exactly how do you need to identify your products to become compliant to the UDI requirements regarding identification of products. Another very important part of UDI requirements is that you need to deliver some master data to the authorities, and it's important for you to make a gap analysis on which data is relevant for your products according to the requirements from the regulatory entities. Where in your IT systems do you have data, if you have them in your IT system, and how do you gather them to be able to push them out of your organization into the different databases that the authorities require. It's also important to understand how you want to keep the data updated, so you need to put in responsibilities, how to make sure that the data is always up to date.